Want to get your business discovered not just on Google, but inside AI chatbots too? In 2026, search is changing fast, and today we are looking at how to use Ahrefs to stay ahead of the curve. Ahrefs has evolved from a traditional SEO tool into a massive AI marketing platform powered by big data. It's built to help you drive visibility across traditional search, AI search engines, content creation, and even social media. If you're doing competitor analysis, you'll want to dive straight into their Site Explorer. This tool lets you study exactly what your competitors are doing, reveal their PPC strategies, and anticipate market trends before they happen. For keyword research, the Keywords Explorer and Content Explorer help you find high-value search terms and identify content gaps. But what makes Ahrefs different in 2026 is its integration of artificial intelligence. They've introduced Agent A, an AI marketing agent that has full, unrestricted access to Ahrefs' massive database. Instead of being locked into one AI, you can actually switch between top models like Claude and Gemini depending on your task. You can use these features to grade your content, optimize for local SEO with their Google Business Profile Monitor, and even track how often your brand is mentioned or cited inside AI chatbot responses using their Brand Radar tool. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a database of user reviews to share with you today, so we can't give you a breakdown of common user pros and cons. However, looking at the platform, the sheer volume of tools means there is a learning curve. If you are a complete beginner, it might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but Ahrefs does offer a ton of guides, videos, and customer support to help you learn the ropes. If you want to build a search strategy that dominates both Google and AI search, Ahrefs is incredibly powerful. Head over to ahrefs.com to check out the tools, try some of their free options like Site Audit, or sign up for a plan. If you found this quick overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing tutorials, and let us know in the comments, are you optimizing their website for AI search yet? See you in the next video.